Thanks for the gifts. I want to make Moringa oil shampoo. How can I make Moringa oil shampoo? Great question. Okay, so press the seeds in a machine to make the oil. Get the oil, settle that, get some really good oil. Or you could purchase oil by itself. We have oil. Also, we have an infuser, like a magical butter. It's a machine. It heats up and it spins and it creates shampoos just from a constant blending. It has like a shampoo setting, and you can actually make shampoo with that machine. It's called a magical butter. And we have several magical butters. That's how we make our salves. That's how we make our deodorants. That's how we make our lotions, and soon to be shampoos as well. We're actually in the process of developing Moringa shampoos as well. So great question. Thank you. I'm very happy that you are connected with us and you're interested in making Moringa shampoo. Please give me a call and we can connect more if you have any questions. My number is 813-690-6516. If you have any more questions about getting your Moringa business started, want to get to know how to make some of these products. It's a huge industry. The Moringa seed oil industry is billions and billions of dollars a year. So you can tap into a little bit of that industry just by planting some seeds. Plant some seeds. Oh,